Ready, start. The 5-year-old son of the applicant is entirely dependent on her. Full stop. Denial of bail to the applicant in the instant case will cause the 5-year-old child to perforce reside in the jail premises with her. Full stop. Family circumstances and social roots are among the criteria which are factored in while deciding the bail application of an accused. Full stop. The collateral damage inflicted upon a child as a result of denial of bail to their parent becomes most significant when the child has to reside in prison with the accused parent. Full stop. The court cannot shut its eyes to the plight of such children consequent to their confinement in jail by default. Full stop. Every parent has a duty to ensure the well-being, education and well-rounded development of their child. Full stop. However, parents cannot fulfill these obligations if they are imprisoned. Full stop. Each child has a fundamental right to education, and an environment conducive to their development as a dutiful citizen of the country. Full stop. Neglect of rights of children who suffer from such default confinement in jail will reflect the failure of the state and inadequacy of the judicial process. Full stop. Deprivation of rights of these children will put a question mark on the ability of the state and the capacity of the judicial process to uphold the constitution and the laws. Full stop. Avoiding such germane issues which squarely arise for consideration in bail jurisdiction will amount to abdication of judicial functions. Full stop. Such course has been abjured by good and consistent authorities in point. Full stop. Fair administration of justice in bail jurisdiction commands this court to ensure that adverse consequences accruing to the child as a result of rejection of the bail application of their parent within bracket mother in this case bracket close are mitigated and the rights of minor children of inmates residing in jails are protected. Full stop. Constitutional status of this court is not denuded in bail jurisdiction. Full stop. While exercising bail jurisdiction, various legal issues may arise for consideration in the facts and circumstances of a case which directly impact fair administration of justice. Full stop. The court is possessed of jurisdiction to determine such issues. Full stop. Children hold nature's promise of unquenchable optimism in a world riven by constant strife. Full stop. Children are the most precious asset of humankind, but also the most vulnerable segment of human species. Full stop. The children have always been regarded a separate class in law. Full stop. The constitution makers acknowledged that children are the most precious assets of the nation, and understood the special needs of children. Full stop. A distinct space for children was created in the constitution. Full stop. Various provisions devoted to children in the constitution attest the paramount place accorded to the welfare of children in our constitutional scheme. Full stop. Duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health, the state shall regard the raising of the level of nutrition and the standard of living of its people and the improvement of public health as among its primary duties and, in particular, the state shall endeavor to bring about prohibition of the consumption except for medicinal purposes of intoxicating drinks and of drugs which are injurious to health. Full stop. Education is the bulwark of our nation's freedom and the engine of economic prosperity. Full stop. Education has assured the preservation of the human species, comma, and guarantees the advancement of human civilization. Full stop. Education is not only book learning imparted in a classroom to secure employment. Full stop. The concept of education is wide enough to embrace various aspects of human existence and touches every facet of human life. Full stop. The ability of the Homo sapiens to understand and evolve themselves by knowing their place and relation to the universe around them is also comprised in education. Full stop. Education contemplates a holistic environment which is congenial to the growth of human faculties along the lines of excellence. Full stop. Inculcation of healthy lifestyle habits, comma, development of robust ethical values and character, comma, and imbibing of vocational and academic knowledge form part of a vision of education of any nation ruled by law. Full stop. Education is the primary instrument to achieve our constitutional vision. Full stop. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's view that the aim of government is not so much efficiency as education is true for all times, double inverted comma close, is a guiding factor in the nation's governance. Full stop.